In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively export design elements from your design software. Whether it's an icon, logo, or any grouped components, exporting these elements the right way is crucial to maintaining their quality and usability across different formats and devices. Let's dive right in and explore this step-by-step process. The very first thing you need to do is to select the layer or object that you want to export. This could be an icon, a logo, or even a set of grouped components. The selection process helps to ensure that you're only exporting what's necessary, leaving out any extraneous parts that might otherwise crowd your work. Once you've selected your desired layers or objects, the next step is to mark them for export. You can do this by navigating to the Layers panel and clicking on the Mark for Export icon next to the layer's name. Alternatively, you can achieve the same result by right-clicking on the layer and selecting Mark for Export from the drop-down menu. This step is essential as it tells the software exactly which layers you intend to export, setting them apart from everything else in your project. Now, moving on to the export format. Different formats serve different purposes, and it's important to choose the one that best suits your needs. If you're working with raster images that require transparency, or if you need different device resolutions, PNG is a great choice. For vector graphics like icons or logos, SVG is ideal because it is scalable without any quality loss. SVG also offers export options such as presentation attributes versus internal CSS, giving you flexibility in how styles are applied. Meanwhile, PDF can be used to export vector assets or even full artboards, which is perfect for presentations or print-ready files. Next, consider the export size or resolutions. If you've chosen PNG, you have the option to select different presets depending on your needs, such as Web 1x and 2x, or device-specific settings like iOS 1x, 2x, and 3x, or the various Android densities. For SVG files, you can choose options that allow you to either embed or link bitmaps within the SVG, which can influence your file's portability and size. The actual export process differs slightly depending on whether you're using a Mac or Windows. For Mac users, click on File, then Export, and select Selected after choosing the layers. For those on Windows, again go to File, select Export, and then choose Selected, Batch, or All Artboards based on your specific requirements. Finally, after exporting your files, it's always a good idea to check them over. Make sure the naming conventions are correct. Verify that resolution scaling is set as intended, and ensure that transparency is applied where necessary. Checking these details ensures that your exported files meet your specific needs and are ready for whatever purpose you have in mind. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to exporting design elements efficiently. With these steps, you can ensure that your files maintain their quality and are perfectly tailored to your specific requirements. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!